Okay, thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Spicy raw prawn. We have like lime juice, bird eye chili, garlic, mint, fish sauce, like flavorful in the mouth. Now we're gonna be crazy, but this is the way it should be, and it's nicer. I want you to eat just the way how we eat it.
Okay.
Especially if you're next to the sea. This one we got the fresh prawn from the morning. They just arrived, you know. It's good, but when you, especially in the sea, the meat even fresher, right?
Okay, understand.
I'm gonna do this for.
Okay. We're gonna add in the sauce. Okay.
So I'm gonna do on top
Understand.
because I'm trying to make it nice. Garlic. And this is like crazy dish for this one. But this is how we eat it. It's gonna be crazy for you stuff, but that's all the Thai men love. Even Tangmo, my niece, she said, "Oh, you're gonna make this prawn like a sabiche raw prawn." And this one, I'm gonna take it out there. Sorry. Ice. Okay, can you put the cold water for me? We haven't knocked this one for the earlier. Not really salad, you know. Share, soak nampla, so fish sauce, some mint leaf in it. You should eat with the raw mint because they really together combination. Đây, mà we soak in ice to make it crispy, right? But I'm gonna make a shortcut because we don't have much time.
Yep.
I'm gonna soak here when you eat. You just have to pick it. This one when you anything most of the time, like you see here when you're eating raw, you always have to serve in cold.
Okay.
You know, like you eat sushi, right? The salmon, everything is cold.
Understand.
Yeah. Hi, me and Chinpai, our friend. We're making a raw prawn here. This is yummy. Look at this. Good. I'm very grateful that Jin Phai come to visit our home. You know, thank you so much for keep coming back to visit us. Me and my husband, we feel very special and honored to have you in our house. Thank you. And you always come with a big smile and happiness and always exchange, you know, culture and food. We love that. Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Spicy raw prawn. We have like lime juice, bird eye chili, garlic, mint, fish sauce, like flavorful in the mouth. Now we're gonna taste them.
Okay, so put it.
This one, I like it with a rosary and garlic and mint. So like that. And then you have it. Sorry, I love it. Okay. And then you have
This.
after. I like the bitterness, so this is very good. I have this after.
Good.
Something new, huh? You have to eat with the cucumber, with the bitter cucumber. It balances it up all the spicy sours in your mouth. But the prawn meat, the fresh prawn meat, very sweet. And the texture.
Yeah, crunchy.
With the soda help crunchy. Tasty. You have a really fresh like, squid, you know. You don't need to cook squid that long.
Good for you.
I love it. Fresh squid. But you have to have real fresh squid.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Without the
Yeah, just buy it and suck it out.
Yes. And the meat.
This one, this one.
How is it?
No.
Great.
Yes?